Hello everyone. Today, I'll introduce the installation of the touch dimmer switch of ELEGRP. This dimmer switch works in single-pole application. Neutral wire, white, is required for using. In the box, we have these things listed as following. Installation tools needed are listed. Turn power off at circuit breaker. Remove the old wall plate and take the old switch out of the wall box. Do not remove wires. Turn power on its circuit breaker. Turn off the light. Use a test pen to check the wires. If the test pen blinks and beeps, it indicates the line wire. If there is no reaction, it indicates the load wire. Turn power off at circuit breaker. Label the line wire with line. Label the load wire with load. Label the ground wire, green or bare copper with ground. Label the neutral wire, white, with neutral. Remove the old switch and keep the ends of the wires straight. Connect line wire to the black wire on the dimmer switch. Insert the wires into the wire connector and screw them unclockwise. Connect the load wire to the red wire on the dimmer switch. Connect the neutral wire to the white wire on the dimmer switch. Connect the ground wire to the green wire on the dimmer switch. Mount the wall panel. Turn power on its circuit breaker. Test the dimmer switch to ensure it works properly. Single pole wiring is complete. If the bulb keeps flickering during use, you can adjust the minimum brightness. Hold the manual off button for 6 seconds. The LED indicator flashes once, entering the minimum brightness adjustment mode. Touch and slide the light bar to improve lowest dimming range where lights are on and stable. Press manual off button again. The LED indicator flashes again, indicating the setting is successful.